I love having students here in the galleries to look at work because they always look at things with fresh eyes. They always see things and images in ways in which often I've overlooked or I haven't noticed before.
This program is really important, I believe, to this city and students and public education in general because it gives everyone equal access. So this is Booker High School. It's a visual and performing arts magnet high school. Our partnership with the Ringling Museum started last year. This year when they brought us the idea of collaborating again with different dance companies that they were bringing in, the idea of Mexican and Spanish and Latin culture, it was a perfect fit.
Bueno, antes que nada somos una institución, somos una universidad. Su nombre es Nandewi y creamos líderes en escena. Y así como los museos encierran un mundo que ocurrió excelente, nosotros queremos que lo que sigue adelante sea excelente también.
I'm drawn to dance because it helps me express my emotions or it helps me get out of a negative or bad headspace for me. I think that it's really powerful and amazing that you cannot speak the same language as somebody else, but y'all can still understand each other.
Ballet, tap, jazz, modern, we don't get to experience these cultural dance styles that are in other countries, and so it was just really fun getting a new change of way.
Learning dance with everyone is just an amazing experience.
Lo que queremos es que nuestros jóvenes estudiantes sean mejores en la vida, mejores en el mundo y les damos herramientas para.
I hope they take away from their experience. Art can be made from things that we see every day, things that are really familiar to us, can be elevated into new ways. Those hopefully will have an impact as they work on their performance.
Looking at the audience faces, seeing if they get the story that we're trying to convey to them, and just making sure everybody has fun. That's really what it's all about.
This experience, it was definitely something new for all of us here, and it was just a great way for us to have fun and just learn new things.
I've definitely learned that I'm not the only one. I can depend on other people for help too.
We have all of these grand ideas. I would love to bring this to my students. I would love to do this. I would love to do this collaboration. But at the end of the day, do we have enough funding for it? And that's when an organization like the Ringling Museum, who is just a pillar of our community, can really step in and fill that gap. Gratitude is not even enough of a word.